Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so removing a ROM goes smoothly. First, enable OEM unlocking and USB debugging. This lets your PC communicate and flash. Once done, install ADB and Fastboot on your computer and confirm the phone appears with a DB devices. This avoids surprises. Make a full backup or Nandroid, because wiping ROM files deletes data. Also charge to at least 50% and gather the stock firmware and device-specific tools. These will be used immediately in the next steps. You now move into the middle technical phase where precision matters. Reboot into the bootloader with a DB Reboot bootloader, and if required, unlock using Fastboot OEM unlock or Fastboot flashing unlock. Be aware this wipes data. Next, flash a compatible recovery like TWRP using Fastboot Flash Recovery. IMG so you can manage partitions. Boot recovery, then wipe system, cache, and Dalvik/ART partitions. Formatting system removes the current ROM. Make sure to follow device-specific partition names to avoid. You finish by installing the replacement or leaving the phone unROMmed. Flash the stock ROM packages or sideload a factory image, ensuring boot. IMG and vendor mismatch causes boot failures. Once the device boots cleanly and apps run, consider relocking the bootloader, but only after confirming stability. Relocking without matching images can brick the phone. If you hit a boot loop, restore your Nandroid or reflash the official firmware. Check recovery and logcat logs to identify missing blobs or kernel incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.